Hey, welcome to TGIF Friday again. I forgot. It's my second recording of this one because I forgot again to turn off the air conditioner, and it makes that background buzzy noise, and it's just not a very good recording in my opinion. So anyway, uh, as Ray, I remember listening to watching a movie about old Western music, and had a thing when the Nitty Gritty Dirt Band was doing their album Circle Being Broken, and Roy Acuff was in there, and he said, "Let's just do it once," you know, and, and that's a good one to do because usually your first one is your best one, and I'm sorry, you're going to get second rate, I guess. Anyway, this is a song that I learned, was probably one of my first fiddle tune kind of songs. It's called Garfield's Hornpipe, and it's based on the old AABB thing. If you remember, that's the different parts. And it's called Garfield's Hornpipe. Some places it's called White Water, White River, something like that. And anyway, I had made kind of a pact with myself that what I want to do when I was playing for people to get a little lost in the music. And this is one of those songs I think that I can do that. And, I hope, I know you're all out there listening, so I hope you enjoy it. It goes something like this. Well, there you have it. I hope you stay safe. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I'll see you hopefully again next Friday. Bye, y'all.